A sensational new drug angle has emerged in Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. ED claims that Rhea Chakravarti was into drugs. The probe agency also alleges that people close to Sushant were in touch with drug dealers. Now the Narcotics Bureau too has stepped in to check this case.
Two parallel investigations by two of the top agencies of the country to solve the biggest mystery of the year, Sushant Singh Rajput's death. The most explosive claim yet has come from the Enforcement Directorate. Sources in the probe agency have said they have evidence of Sushant's girlfriend, Rhea Chakravarti, using some narcotic substance. The narcotics department has been roped in to probe the alleged drug link. Sources say in a letter to Narcotics Control Bureau, ED said people associated with Sushant consumed drugs and were even in touch with drug dealers. Sources say the ED has shared the proof of Rhea's alleged drug link with CBI investigators. The type of narcotics Rhea used, however, has not been revealed. The latest claim comes days after Sushant's family alleged she took Sushant to a resort on the pretext of curing him and later overdosed him with medicines. Rhea is also under the CBI scanner. The special investigation team will soon be issuing summons to Rhea. Her family is also under the lens. Sources say Rhea will be questioned at her residence.
India Today has accessed some of the key questions that the CBI will be putting across to Rhea Chakravarti. Most of these questions will revolve around the circumstances under which Rhea left Sushant's house. They will also ask her about the Europe trip, and also they want to know as to how close she is to Mahesh Bhatt.
Meanwhile, the CBI has intensified its probe. 7 associates of the late actor were grilled today. After glaring inconsistencies emerged in statements by Sushant's flatmate Siddharth Pitani and cook Neeraj Singh about what unfolded on June 13th and 14th. The agency will now confront Pitani with Sushant's 3 staffers. The CBI will also be questioning Mumbai police officers who were investigating the Sushant case, widening the probe to cover possible financial irregularities. The CBI has grilled Sushant's chartered accountant Sandeep Sridhar and his former CA as well.
It's been 5 days since CBI landed in Mumbai to investigate Sushant case death mystery. 5 days on, the agency has left no stone unturned to unravel the truth in this case. With cameraperson Kiran Sapkal, Vidya and Mustafa Sheikh for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.